Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 14th Jan 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 11.5 points up move. US markets have done pretty bad for itself and DowJones was down by 6 points, Nasdaq was down by 14 points and S&P was down by 0.38 points. So there is nothing which US markets have portrayed great on Friday, which may influence Indian markets today. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian market may open flat to green in today's pre-open session and the opening as well. Indian markets have a very huge resistance at the level of 10,900. Please keep that in mind. 10,880 is a very strong resistance for the market. So Indian markets resistances and supports goes like this. The resistances firstly are 10,798 levels, 10,805 levels, 10,836 levels, 10,850 levels, 10,880, 10,900, 10,926, 10,936 and 10,950 and 11,000 are the resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. If we have to look at the supports, the level of 10,770 levels, 10,750 levels, 10,707 and 10,700, 10,672, 10,650, 10,600, 10,563 are the very strong supports for the markets in today's session and the upcoming sessions as well. Fast stochastic and slow stochastic is denoting that the market may go upwards from here onwards. However, we have hit a trough at the level of 10,880 levels where the market is again coming down from there. So we have taken support at the level of the EMA crossover, and EMA is giving a good support for the market. It seems that the market may go up from here onwards and cross the level of 10,900 because the fast stochastic and slow stochastic is showing that we may go to the overbought zone very soon. However, it is not in that particular zone yet. So the MACD is showing that we may be flat in the session today because there is nothing much momentum in the market, what MACD is actually denoting. This is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now I know